You can now reinstall all the plastics, trims, buttons, and bezels onto the steering wheel and prepare it for installation back in the car. Don't forget any electrical connectors. If there's glue residue anywhere on the leather, wipe it with a damp cloth. On this stage, it should be enough. You shouldn't need any special cleaners. Put the steering wheel back in the car. Make sure you align it on the spline properly, connect all the wiring to the buttons. Reconnect the airbag and snap it into the steering wheel. Reconnect the battery and go for a test drive to enjoy the awesome job you've just completed.